Most people would have walked away from this truck. What you're looking at right now isn't just rust. It's neglect, silence, and years of being forgotten. T's Peterbilt 379 monster truck was left to rot. Flat tires, seized engine, broken bones under layers of rust. People told me it was impossible. It's dead. You're wasting your time. I saw something different. I saw potential buried under decay. And so began a 6-month journey, not just to rebuild a truck, but to bring a legend back to life. Every bolt fought back. Every panel told a story of abuse and time. This wasn't a restoration. This was a resurrection. And before you decide whether this was worth it, let me show you how it all started. Asterisk. Default. Text. Restoration journey. 7 to 8 minute. The first step was brutal honesty. We stripped everything down to bare bones. Rusted panels came off. The interior was ripped out. The engine frozen, solid. What looked strong from the outside was completely broken underneath. Days turned into nights. Sparks flew as metal was cut, welded, reshaped. Rust wasn't removed, it was fought. Inch beat, layer by layer. The chassis was straightened, weak points reinforced. Then came the heart of the beast, the engine rebuild. Every component cleaned. Measured, rebuilt with precision. There were moments of doubt. Parts that didn't fit. Problems that weren't supposed to exist. But quitting was never an option. Wiring snapped back into place. New systems breathed life into old steel. Slowly, the truck began to fight back. What was once silent started to whisper signs of life. Asterisk. And then, everything changed. Fresh paint flowed across the body like armor. Chrome returned its shine. Lights ignited eyes that had been dark for years. This wasn't just a truck anymore. It was a symbol. A monster reborn. Inspired by Optimus Prime. Strength, power, resilience. The engine finally roared to life. Every second of doubt disappeared. 6 months of work. Countless failures. One unstoppable result. This Peterbilt 379 didn't just come back. It returns stronger than ever. If this transformation surprised you, hit the like button if you believe nothing is ever truly beyond saving. Subscribe to the channel and tell me in the comments, would you have given up or kept fighting like this truck did?